About the next question. So the value of the value of the value of let us take some typical problem. 7 minus 1 whole 1 by 2 minus 3 whole 1 by 4 close this bracket on of 3 by 4 divided by 9 by 8. 3 by 4 divided by 9 by 8. So here, so what is the first priority here? This thing we have to do first, and this thing we have to do, then we have to multiply them. So do them individually better, otherwise do parallelly. So 7, so otherwise I am simplifying this value first. 7 minus 1 whole 1 by 2. You will face the difficulty, that is the reason I am simplifying individually. And I will take this one also. 3 by 4 divided by 9 by 8. So I am doing them 7 minus 2 1 are 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3 by 2. 3 4 the 12, 12 plus 1 13, 13 by 4. Now here what we have to do is we have to do the simplification for this. Take the denominator as 1, 1 2 4, 1 2 4. What is the LCM of 1 2 4? 2. 2 1 the 2, we can start, no problem. 2 into 1 into 1 into 2 will be 4. No need to go with 2. If you go with 2 also same you will get. So what is the denominator here? 4. So take 7 and close 1, you will get 2 to the 4 minus 3 you have to take 2, we have close 2, 2 1 the 2 minus 13 you have to take 4, we have close 2 to the 4, 1 you will get 7 4 the 28, 2 3 the 6 minus 13 1 the 13 divided by 4. This will be equal to, add negative numbers, 28 minus 19, 3 plus 16 is 19 by 4. So 28 minus 19 is what? 9 by 4. So now this value 3 by 4 into division by a number is multiplication by its reciprocal, 8 by 9. 3 into 8 by 4 into 9. 4 1 ja, 4 2 ja, 3 1 ja, 3 3 ja, 2 divided by 3. Now look at here carefully. So here this value we got. What is this value here? 9 by 4 of, so what is this value? 2 by 3. I will come again. So what is the value of this one? This total value is going to be 9 by 4. That means this value is 9 by 4. I replace 9 by 4 and half we have. So what is the value of this? 2 by 3. So here what you can get? 9 by 4 into 2 by 3. This can be given as 9 into 2 by 4 into 3. What is this? 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja, 3 1 ja, 3 3 ja. What is the value of this? 3 by 2. Now once again I will explain this question. Once look at this carefully. So first what we have to do is 7 minus 1 whole 1 by 2, 3 whole 1 by 3. So this bracket and this bracket we have to do first. So I have taken this bracket. So here 7 minus 1 whole 1 by 2 minus 3 whole 1 by 4. 7 minus 2 1 are 2, 2 plus 1 3 by 2. 3 4 that 1, 12 plus 1 13 by 4. Denominator is 1 2 4. 1 2 4 LCM is going to be what? 4. So here after coming here 1 we have, so close 1, 2 to the 4 you will get 7 4 the 2 we have, close 2, 2 1 the 2 you will get, and 4 we have. If you close 4, 2 to the 4, indirectly 1, otherwise LCM is 4, no need to do anything. 7 4 the 28, 2 3 the 6, 13 1 the 13. I add negative number, 6 plus 13 is the 19. 29 minus 19 is 9. 9 divided by 4. Next here if you go, that is, this is the value of this one. Here if you go 7 by 4, 3 by 4 divided by 9 by 8. Division by a number is multiplication by its reciprocal. That means it will become 2 upon 3. After that 9 by 4. This value is 9 by 4 of, what is this value? This value is 2 by 3. Once again this total value is 9 by 4 of, this is 2 by 3. So half means what? Multiplication. Then what we can write? Multiply the numerators by multiply the denominators. So that means multiply 9 into 2, multiply 9 and 2, and multiply 4 and 3. So 9 into 2 by 4 into 3. So 3 1s are 3 3s are 2 1s are 2 2s are 3 by 2 will be your required answer.